Hello, welcome back to Infosphers YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to color correct your picture to achieve a cinematic color look. First of all, we need a duplicate of the background image, so press Ctrl+J or drag and drop like this. Click on the duplicate layer and rename it to Cinematic Color. Select the Cinematic Color layer, go to Filters, and click on Lens Correction. Under the Custom tab, find the Vignette slider and adjust it to darken the corners of your image. Select Vignette amount to -32. New Adjustment Layer, Color Balance. In the Properties panel, adjust the sliders. In midtones, balance the colors towards cyan and blue. Don't increase too much cyan, we need balanced color. Set cyan to -21 and blue to +20. In shadows, move the slider towards cyan, left, and a bit towards blue, right, to give shadows that cool, teal tone. Set cyan to -10 and blue to +10. In highlights, move the sliders towards red and yellow for warmer highlights, orange tones. Set red to +20 and yellow to -15. Take a look at the before and after. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Curves. In the Properties panel, you'll see a graph with a diagonal line. Adjust the RGB curve to add contrast. Create an S-curve by dragging a point in the shadows slightly down and the highlights slightly up. This adds contrast. In the Blue channel, pull up the shadows and slightly push down the highlights to add a subtle teal to shadows and warmth to highlights. Go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Selective Color. Adjust the reds, yellows, and neutrals. In reds, increase the cyan and adjust yellow to bring out skin tones or highlights. Set cyan to +20 and yellow to +13. In yellows, decrease cyan to enhance orange and gold tones. Set the cyan to -28. In neutrals, play with the black slider to deepen contrast. I think +10 is slightly good. Take a look at individual layers before and after. Next, go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, Gradient Map. Click the Gradient Preview to edit it. For a cinematic color grade, choose a gradient with teal in the shadows and orange in the highlights. Select the black slider and hit on the black color. You can use a gradient with number 002E4D, dark blue. Hit OK. Select the white slider and hit on the white color. Use a gradient with #FF8COO, orange. Hit OK. Change the blending mode of the gradient map layer to soft light or overlay and adjust the opacity to fine-tune the effect. I think 50% opacity is good. Take a look at the before and after. You can copy these layers and use them in other layers for a cinematic look. Let me show you how you can do this. Select the first layer, hold Shift, and click on the last adjustment layer. You can see all adjustments are selected. Press Ctrl+C to copy these layers. Open a second image, click on the background image, and press Ctrl+V to paste all layers. See the result, it's amazing. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.